Okay. Hello, dear friends. 姑姑以为您. So this one, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I got some friends asking how I made this salty vegetable base or salty taste base. So here is how I do it. I put some onion, ginger, spring onion, which is not too strong flavor and not too smelly. And ginger, onion, and cooking oil. I usually use vegetable oil and put it in the pot and then put in vegetable. And actually this one is mushroom, different kinds of mushroom. I have some of these Japanese thin and long with a little bit long head, a round head, and this kind of mushroom is quite not too strong flavor, and it has a very tender and a little bit sweet, a little bit not aggressive flavor. And I cook it in strong fire for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I put salt, pepper, and some cooking wine, and some soya sauce, and that's it. Nothing too much. After cooking for 10-20 minutes, the flavor in strong fire, the flavor completely get into the mushroom, and that's it. I use it as a base for the whole week. I put it into container. If I use it, I put it in container, and when I cook it, when I need it, I take it out from refrigerator. If it's just like a plastic container, Tupperware container, glass with lid container, put into refrigerator. It keeps up to 1 week something. And I have never tried longer than 1 week. But I put, if I sell it, I am selling it and put it into a mason jar. Mason jar can stay up to 18 months. That keep it sealed. But anyway, when you open it, finish it within a couple of weeks, that will be good. And how do I make it preservable? It's because first, the champignon, this mushroom by itself, it does not become very mushy, become very softens. So it still has its texture. Although it's soft and tender, but it has its own unique integrity. And I put kind of double the saltiness, because I put salt, pepper, and soya sauce, and with cooking the flavor evaporate. So it becomes the reduced and much salty to eat straight. Sometimes in the salad I put a little pieces, 5-10 pieces, like something that zing, brighten up the flavor because it's salty. And when I cook vegetables, when I cook noodles, rice, anything, vegetable, you go to the supermarket to buy the vegetable already cleaned, or you cleaned, put the vegetable in, put in the pot, and cover with 1 or 2 spoons of this flavor. Let it cook for 5-10 minutes, it becomes a meal. So this way, the taste can be preserved in this container, and the taste will slowly, through cooking, distribute into your meal, and easy to preserve, and has a very unique, very, very tasty flavor. And it might be too tasty to eat straight. I mean, it might be too salty to eat straight. But that's it. This is mushroom flavor concentrate preserve. Let me call it. Let me think about the name. But mushroom flavor concentrate preserve, or food starter or something. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. It's so good. Goodbye. Bye.